Alright, we're up at the Rainy River for the first time in open water this season. Hoping to catch a few walleyes. We had a decent report from earlier in the week, and then Buddy was up here Monday and had a pretty slow day, but we're hoping to get after it a little bit better today, so we'll see what happens. Alright, we just got the boat landed. The landing is a little bit slick. There's a pile of sand up here that people have been using to dump it on the landing, so that helped us out. But we're just about ready to go. Cooper's just parking the truck right now, and then we're going to be ready to get off and figure out a plan for the day. We're not sure where we're going to run yet, but we'll start somewhere between 8 to 13 feet and go from there. The return of the king. What do you got to say for today?
Hopefully the motor runs good. I don't see it running yet. And hopefully we catch a few fish.
That would be an ideal thing.
Hey, copper.
Jump, ninjas! Does it feel okay?
No. Little guy. Super little.
Oh.
Little soggy. There we go.
Yeah, not tiny. Thank you, Brody.
Yeah.
Oh, there you go. Watch that camera. Well, that's a good one.
Better. Decent anyway.
Hey, nice job.
Alright, there we go. Yep. First decent one of the day, or second? What? Should go back. Maybe a little bit.
They had
There's a nice one. Cooper, what the?
Got stuck up on the rods.
Barely sucked on it. I thought it was a perch.
25.
Yeah, grab a measuring board just to...
I guess it's not as big as I first thought.
No, nice one though.
24, right? Yeah. 25.
That's a decent one. First actual nice one of the day.
Skinny must be.
Yeah, no kidding. Good?
Yep.
Sweet. Back you go. Well, it is currently about 1 o'clock. We just landed our 6th fish of the day, so it's been slow. Finally got one decent one in the boat. So hopefully we can kind of dial something in here for the rest of the day and figure out and get a couple more big ones in.
Doesn't feel like it's fighting much.
Cooper, you're an idiot. 6, 7 feet?
Oh, it's a log.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah,
Nuh-uh.
yeah. It's a log.
What? Cooper!
Well, we were, you know.
Do you want to hold up
Yeah, that's a pretty good size one.
That's a big log.
How did you get that into the wall?
Hold it up.
No. Put it in the water. Let's go fishing.
What in the hell, bro?
Cooper, I'm gonna put every single one of your sticks in my video.
Good. I topped the whole tree.
Like, I'm gonna put every single one of those. Cooper, we kind of have this all to ourselves now. Yeah, there we go, Cooper.
It's a real
It's a
fish.
stick.
It's a real fish.
Oh, it's a fish! It's shaking!
Pipe, pipe, pipe. Yeah, that's a good one.
Bring it on this side.
Which side?
This is my side.
Okay. You want me to switch spots with you so you can... Ah, there we go. It's a good one.
Fatter.
For sure fatter. Probably a female.
Alright.
Alright, Coop Money Murder. Tell me what just happened, boss man.
Set the hook, thought it was a stick, but it wasn't. It was alive, and it was a walleye.
Hold her out for me real quick.
Nice pre-spawn.
Beautiful. Oh yeah. Got a couple.
Little.
Just photo back. Be a perfect eater. Sucker. Cooper's on.
You just tried calling me. Little.
Who just tried calling you?
Oh, big, right?
What do you got? Decent? Net worthy or no?
Yeah, I was thinking the last one.
Not bad.
It's not bad.
Lead him to me. There you go.
It's another good one. Oh, yeah. You guys been here most of the day, or
Hold him up for me real quick.
what's that?
Not right here. We're down there. Right.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we just got.
Sure.
Show him to me real quick.
Same pretty
There
much.
you go.
Bounce it around.
Alright, we found a few pods of fish, some smaller ones, but we ended up catching a couple nice ones here in the last little bit. Cooper finally got his first fish, so things are looking up for him. And we're going to try moving now since we've ran out of action recently. Oh no. Just a little, not that good. Sweet.
The long shank, baby.
Yep. With the hardcore thread. From last shank.
Oh yeah. Good one.
No.
Decent one.
Yeah.
That was quick.
Yeah. Another decent one. Cool. Smaller. Want a nut? Boat flip, boy.
That's a good one.
Yeah.
This is worth a helmet toss.
Mm-hmm.
Like I said, ranks and landing.
They just got one.
Never actually caught a fish on plastics. Tried a little.
Sun setting, long day out here, but a lot of fun. Alright, just got off the water after a pretty long day. Had a decent day, caught probably 15 to 20 fish using mostly jigs and minnows. Tried plastics, but it wasn't really working. We used rainbows and about 1/4 ounce to 3/8 ounce jigs all day. Had some decent luck right at the end. Got on a pot of fish that, I don't know, had quite a few hits going through a little certain stretch by the landing. So a good little way to end. And this was a fun little day trip to kick off open water. We're pretty excited to see what comes next and just happy to be out in a boat again. Thanks for watching.